Welcome to the best pick. The best DJI drones is probably one of the most exciting and rapidly evolving categories in consumer electronics today, offering breathtaking aerial perspectives and unparalleled creative possibilities for everyone from hobbyists to seasoned professionals, and with DJI consistently pushing the boundaries of what's possible with drone technology, choosing the right model can feel like navigating a complex sky. But fear not, because we're here to help you find the perfect drone to capture your world from above. Number 5. DJI Mini 4K Drone. Introducing the DJI Mini 4K, an incredibly lightweight drone weighing under 249 grams. This means you can take to the skies without the hassle of registration, making it perfect for spontaneous adventures. Capture your world in breathtaking 4K Ultra HD. Its advanced 3-axis gimbal stabilization ensures your footage is smooth and cinematic, turning everyday moments into professional quality videos, day or night. Don't let the wind hold you back. This drone is built to be wind resistant up to level 5, offering stable flight and reliable performance even in challenging conditions. Enjoy longer flights and more creative freedom with its extended battery life. Choose the battery option that suits your needs and say goodbye to battery anxiety. Perfect for new pilots, it features one-tap takeoff and landing, GPS return to home, and stable hovering. Plus, helpful in-app resources will have you flying like a pro in no time. Elevate your content with intelligent quick shots. With just a few taps, you can automatically create dynamic, professional-looking videos using preset flight paths. Getting that perfect shot has never been easier. What we like. This drone is incredibly easy to get started with, as it doesn't require registration in most places. It captures stunning 4K video with smooth, cinematic quality thanks to its 3-axis gimbal. If you're a beginner looking for a hassle-free entry into drone photography with great image quality, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The drone has a 4K camera that captures stunning aerial footage. Its advanced obstacle avoidance system ensures safe flight, even for beginners. The long flight time of 30 minutes allows for extended aerial photography sessions. Number 4. Holy Stone HS440 Foldable FPV Drone. Experience breathtaking aerial scenery with its 1080p HD camera. The wide-angle lens helps you capture every wonderful moment from a unique perspective, making it perfect for any occasion. Enjoy an impressive flight time of up to 20 minutes with its powerful modular battery. This allows you to explore and capture more of your surroundings without interruption. This drone is designed to be small yet powerful, with an intuitive foldable frame. It comes with a convenient carrying case, making it easy to take your adventures anywhere. Creating stunning content is simple with its optimized user experience. Features like automatic takeoff and precise hovering make operations streamlined and safe, offering endless creative possibilities. It's an ideal choice for beginners, equipped with intelligent functions like emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold. Enjoy extended practice sessions with its long flight time. Take control in a whole new way with voice and gesture commands. This adds an extra layer of fun and ease to your flying experience. What we like. This drone offers fun and intuitive controls, including voice and gesture commands, making it a blast to fly. Its 1080p HD camera captures good aerial views, and the foldable design makes it super portable. If you're looking for a drone that's easy and entertaining to operate, especially for beginners or kids, this one is a great pick for spontaneous adventures. What people say. The drone has a fantastic camera quality, capturing crisp and vibrant aerial shots. Its flight stability is impressive, even in moderate winds, making it easy to control. The battery life is surprisingly long, allowing for extended flight times on a single charge. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3 Fly More Combo. Experience professional-level photography with its advanced 4.3 CMOS Hasselblad camera. It captures incredible detail in both bright and dark areas, elevating your content. Enjoy an impressive 46 minutes of flight time on a single charge. This allows you to capture everything you need without interruption. Navigate with confidence thanks to its advanced omnidirectional obstacle sensing. This ensures a safe and secure flight experience wherever you go. Discover new perspectives with an extended 15-kilometer transmission range. Its advanced transmission system ensures smooth and stable live feeds, letting you explore and capture more. Getting back home is easier than ever with the smart return to home feature. It plans an optimized and safe route for a seamless return, whether you're low on battery or choose to activate it. This combo includes everything you need for extended creative sessions. With extra batteries and FAA remote ID compliance, you're ready for any adventure. What we like. This is a professional-grade drone designed for serious creators, boasting a top-tier Hasselblad camera for unparalleled image quality and an impressive 46-minute flight time. Its advanced obstacle sensing ensures maximum safety during flight. If you demand the absolute best in aerial imaging and need extended flight capabilities for complex shoots, this drone is built for you. What people say. This drone has a fantastic camera quality, capturing crisp and vibrant aerial shots. The battery life is impressive, allowing for extended flight times without frequent recharging. Its user-friendly controls make it easy to operate, even for beginners. Number 2. DJI Mavic 2 Pro Drone Quadcopter. See the bigger picture with its incredible Hasselblad camera. It features a 20MP 1-inch CMOS sensor, allowing you to capture gorgeous aerial shots in stunning color detail. Please update the firmware to version 01.00.00.00 or above before use. This unlocks amazing new features like hyperlapse for super shooting effects. Enjoy up to 31 minutes of flight time and a max speed of 44 miles per hour. It's designed for steady shots with a 3-axis gimbal and offers ample storage. Experience advanced features like Active Track 2.0 and omnidirectional obstacle sensing. You can also utilize hyperlapse, enjoy a low-noise design, and adjustable aperture. This bundle includes the Fly More kit, providing extra batteries, a car charger, a charging hub, and propellers. It also comes with a convenient shoulder bag. What we like. This drone features a professional Hasselblad camera with a large 1-inch sensor, delivering exceptional detail and color. The included Fly More kit provides everything you need for extended shooting sessions, including extra batteries. If you're a photographer or videographer looking for superb image quality and the convenience of a comprehensive package for longer flights, this is an excellent option. What people say. The one sensor allows much more light, giving the darks and lights much more detail. Even during the day, shadows within tree branches and darker images from far away look so much better than those shot with a 1.2.3 camera. For the size of this drone, there is not another camera on the market that is better. OcuSync 2.0 is buttery smooth at long range and the operator experience feels truly premium and professional. Number 1. DJI Mini 3 Pro with DJI RC. Introducing the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Weighing under 249 grams, it's perfect for spontaneous adventures without the need for registration in most places. Its compact design makes it incredibly easy to take anywhere. Experience your world like never before. This drone captures breathtaking 4K video at 60 frames per second and 48MP photos, even in challenging lighting conditions, thanks to its advanced camera system. Elevate your social media game with true vertical shooting. Get stunning portrait shots with no compromise on image quality, all with a simple tap. Enjoy up to 34 minutes of flight time on a single charge. This allows you to explore more of your surroundings and capture incredible footage without interruption. Fly with peace of mind. It features advanced obstacle sensing and intelligent flight assistance, providing enhanced safety for the Mini series. Unlock your creativity with a suite of intelligent features. From focus track to master shots and quick transfer, creating and sharing amazing content is effortless. The included DJI RC remote features a built-in 5.5-inch HD display. It comes with the DJI Fly app pre-installed, offering clear viewing even in bright sunlight. What we like. This drone is perfect for content creators who want to capture stunning social media-ready footage. It shoots incredible 4K 60 frames per second video and offers unique true vertical shooting for portrait-style content. With advanced obstacle sensing for safe flight, if you prioritize high-quality, versatile video capture for platforms like Instagram or TikTok, this drone is an outstanding choice. What people say. The drone has a 4K camera with a 3-axis gimbal for stable footage. It offers a flight time of up to 30 minutes on a single charge. The drone features obstacle avoidance sensors in multiple directions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.